didn't ask for banana bread, so I made her a lemon cake instead. That is actually delicious. I'm so proud of myself. First thing you want to do is measure out 200 grams of flour, 5 grams of lemon zest. When I say that's 5 grams, we are. There'll be nothing more said about it. Get your flour in, get your lemon zest. Try and get it all out, or very close to it all out. Just give that a wee dry mix. 110 perfectly. You can probably tell I haven't baked before in my life. I'm a wee bit unorganized, but sure. We'll get there, lads, we'll get there. And then you want to get a whisk. Start pushing that down on. I'm thinking I might need one here with my hands. Now we need 3 of our finest eggs. Oh, big shell there. Big shelly. Get in there with a whisk now. $30 ml of lemon juice. I think you'll get 30 ml out of one lemon. Right. Seems like a lot of sugar. 200 grams. Seems like a lot of sugar, but sure. It's the wrong way around, hopefully it'll be fine. Vanilla extract, just a tiny wee bit. 5 ml of baking soda. 5 grams, I think. Grams of salt. I'll do like 120 ml of milk. I'll just go wing it. Do it right. And we mix. I feel like the consistency was good before. I got it in an oven 160 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. Wow. Just wow. You see that? When your lemon cake's all nice and cooled down, you want to get your lemon icing. It's just more or less ice and sugar, lemon in it, and a wee taste of water. Very good.
That's lovely.
I know, I surprised myself there.
That is so nice.
Gorgeous. Fall for more from the Kearneys.